Hello student, this is Priyanka Kesharwani and this is the lecture for the B Pharm third year for the subject Pharma Biotechnology. Okay, I am continuing the unit third in which we have a topic structure of immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulins can be called as antibodies. Okay, so structure of immunoglobulins is simply a Y-shaped structure. It is a Y-shaped structure. Okay, you can see here this is a Y-shaped structure. Okay, in this structure we have many regions like Fab region. Okay, this part is Fab region, this part is FC region, and this is a hinge region. This part is variable region and this part is constant region. Okay, so first let's start with the heavy chain and light chain. Okay, and antibodies have two heavy chains and two light chains, that is 1 and 2 heavy chains, and this one is the light chain and this one is the light chain, two light chain. Okay, the heavy chain has the molecular weight 50 to 70 kilodalton. Okay, and the light chain has molecular weight 23 kilodalton. Okay, each heavy chain and light chain are divided into two regions, that is variable region and that is constant region. Okay, each heavy and light chain are divided into two regions. First one is the variable region and second one is the constant region. Okay, the variable region I have denoted here with the V. Okay, so what is the function of the variable region? Variable region का मतलब क्या हुआ? Variable region आपका ये determine करता है कि which type of antigen an antibody bind, means किस तरीके के एंटीजन पे एक एंटीबॉडी बाइंड करेगा. ठीक है, ये कौन डिसाइड करता है? वेरिएबल रीजन. इससे ये डिटरमाइन किया जाता है कि किस टाइप का एंटीजन पे एक एंटीबॉडी बाइंड करेगा. ओके, सेकेंड वन इज द कांस्टेंट रीजन. कांस्टेंट रीजन क्या डिटरमाइन करता है? इट डिटरमाइंस ऑन विच सरफेस दे बाइंड, मतलब एक एंटीबॉडी किस सरफेस पे बाइंड करेगी फॉर द फंक्शन, ये कौन डिसाइड करेगा? कांस्टेंट रीजन में होगा. ठीक है, सो इट डिसाइड द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एंटीबॉडी. इट डिसाइड द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एन एंटीबॉडी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, IgE बाइंड्स विद द मास्ट सेल. एग्जाम्पल है IgE binds with the mast cells. Okay, now अभी क्या हुआ? ये टू चेन्स पड़ी, हेवी एंड लाइट चेन पड़ी. ये दोनों हेवी और लाइट चेन्स दो रीजन में डिवाइड हुए, एक वेरिएबल रीजन में, एक कांस्टेंट रीजन में. ठीक है, तो जो अपर वेवी पार्ट है इन चेन्स का, जो ये वेवी पार्ट है, वेव लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है, ये जो अपर वेवी पार्ट है ये आपका वेरिएबल रीजन का है. ओके, सो हेवी चेन, वेरिएबल रीजन VH, एंड उसके बाद कांस्टेंट रीजन, इसमें 3 होते हैं, टोटल 3 होते हैं, CH1, CH2 एंड CH3. whereas in case of light chain we have one variable region and one constant region. Okay, now this chain, heavy and light chain, are joined by a disulfide bond. Okay, and these chains are also joined by disulfide bond, these heavy chains. Here it is the bonding between the heavy chain and light chain, and here it is the bonding between the heavy chain to heavy chain. Okay, now this is a hinge region. Hinge region, this is a flexible part of an antibody. It is the flexible part of antibody. Okay. Now this is the Fab region. Fab region is what? That contains the antigen binding site. This portion contains the antigen binding site, and FC is the region for the effector function.